everyone, welcome back to RenderSpad's video. Today we are going to continue of part 6 of our 67 Shelby GT500 custom 3D build. And so today we're going to continue with creating this hood scoop area here. And from our design from Viscom, we're going to bring back kind of getting some ideas from this little sketch. But everything so far is coming along, so we're just going to continue and get something kind of cool and unique here. So I'm going to start with using this base hood, okay, and we're going to start to now get an area where we're going to start this building the hood scoop. So I'm just going to go over to the edit mode here and start to shape it out. All right. So far everything is shaping out pretty good here. We're just going to try to clean up the rest of these edges here and just try to kind of refine the areas and get some creases going so that we can just start to create our inset here and the inside part of the scoop. We're going to add some edges and just kind of move some of these guys around and just kind of start blending everything together and smoothing things out. And that's key here. So far this is looking good. We'll just try to bend some of this part of the scoop in. Fix all this area up here. We got some missing edges and all that. So we're just going to clean that up. Alright, that's looking pretty good. I'm happy with how that came out. Everything looks nice and smooth. So what we're going to do with this section is we're going to create a little bit of these little vents on the sides here, just in the corners, just to give a little bit of extra detail. So I'm going to create a cut. I'm just going to kind of angle this way. I don't really have, I'm just kind of going just by eye here, just trying to figure out maybe how I want this to curve. I'm just gonna play it by ear here and see what happens. This should do. Nothing too big, nothing that overtakes the hood, but I just want a little bit of extra detail here. That's all I'm focusing on. Okay, I think I'm safe to say we can start to add some little like fins. Actually, before I do that, give me 1 minute. I'm gonna remove these indents here where the ventilation is supposed to go here. I'm just gonna clean this up. Just merge those together. Move them. I'm just gonna move these. These guys are all out of position here, so we're just gonna have to clean this up real fast. Okay, let's get out of render here and see what we have so far in the design of the hood. All right. Let's let this run just a quick. Okay, so far I see very nice look here. That's exactly what I was going for. I like the little side vents that I created, or the little extra vents on the hood. And let's get a look around here. Yes, this is tying in very nicely. Nice and low. This is looking great. Just gonna unhide the floor here. Well, guys, what do you guys think? Let me know below in the comments if there's anything that stands out to you. But I'm liking where I'm going with this. This design is coming out quite nice and everything's tying in. So let's get on with doing a little bit of extra for today. We're going to really change quite a bit of the design. A little bit towards more of the roof area, and I'm going to put those vents in, the fins for the little indents in the hood there. And then to clean that up, I'll put some vents in there just to get some detail going. But yeah, and then pretty soon we're going to start working on some paint, and even the front end area I'm going to start to put in some grill components and mesh. Who knows? I don't know. I'm going to come up with something there. But other than that, let's continue. Let's do a little bit more here. Let's get a little bit further ahead and see what we come up with. What I'm thinking of doing here is lowering the roof just a bit, just to kind of go with how low the car is. And I just want to adjust some of these areas here and then bring this down just a tad. And I think this is really going to give it a nice aggressive look as well for the design. So I'm going to move these window components down a little bit and do some adjustments here. But I'm thinking that might look really cool. We're heading into a better direction with this design. All right, look at this. Gonna keep going. Right, that is looking much better. It's just a bit lower, and wow, this is starting to get a good look here. So I wanted to clean up that spot where there's the side little window there. I'm just going to remove it, but what I want to do now is I'm going to add a window into this model here, just to kind of close up everything and clean it up. But yeah, we're going to do some side windows. Just checking some of the model here. There's some areas that are just kind of off, so I'm just kind of tweaking those, making sure nothing's kind of intersecting too much into each other here. But everything's looking pretty good. Let's just clean up. Right, so let's tie in those windows and see what we can come up with here. All right, let's have a look at what we've done here, where we added that one section of the hood where we put the fins in. I just had to do a little more body panel adjustments to just kind of clean up some things. And then, yes, I'm going to add those side windows in there. It was just trying to give you ideas of what I'm going to be focusing on. But right now, with those little fins in there, that just seemed to give us a little more detail. I tried to redirect them a little bit in different positions, but I feel like this one worked pretty good for the angle that it's at. So, yeah, this is great. All right, so really now it is about this side window. It's open right now because of the Eleanor car. So what we're going to do now is close that up, and that should really kind of polish some things off here. But we are getting very close to finish. We still got some things to do here. There's going to be a few more series of this build, but it's going to really change and really come together quick now. So things are starting to speed up. We'll be looking at getting some wheels in there, and also going to be working on the paint and all that stuff. So that's going to be coming in the next series. So I'm looking forward to that stuff. That's the fun parts where we get to really tie it all together. So, but yeah, this is great. Let's see, we're just going to get the windows going now. Oh yes, and I'll also be working on the back as well. I have not forgot the back. That's going to be a whole new design there. So yeah, there's a little bit of work to do, but it shouldn't take me too long to, I'm hoping to stick into about 10 parts, 10 parts of this series, and so we're on the 6th, so we're getting close. All right, guys, let's continue. All right, let's get a render going here and see how these windows look. Okay, I'm just gonna go into fit the size of the window here just so that everything kind of renders quickly. I'm just using preview settings for Arnold. Actually, using Arnold render is a great render to use especially for this type of work, and I've been really enjoying the updates of Arnold. By the way, I'm a big nerd when it comes to renders, and this is an amazing. It's been an amazing piece of software now. So this has been excellent. It's just gotten better over the years, extremely better. All right, guys. So let's just get the material going here, and let's take a look if we can get it to match. Something doesn't look right here. Looks a bit soft in the reflection. Okay, everything seems to be fitting well, but just got a little bit, making sure there's no bumps. Nothing uneven surface here, but this looks good. That's what it is. The material is, got the wrong material there. Let's go back and apply this one. Okay. It's going to go down. Select our element here. There we go. Select the windows and just reapply, and there we go. All right. Let's have a look. Very nice. Yes, this is looking good. Okay. fix this window framing here. It's a little bit up too much. So you can see there's a gap at the bottom. So we'll fix that up. Let's just bring this down just a tad bit. Also got that little bit of a rubber seal that goes around as well. Just gotta make sure those guys are in place. Let's run our render view here. And there we go, guys. This is looking good. I'm very happy with the window I put in there. We got the hood scoop and the little vents there. This is coming out nice. I'm looking forward to now getting into more of the design of the front end area. We're going to start working on the grill section. And yeah, also we got to get the side skirts in the rear. So everything is coming together. Stay tuned for more in this series because we're going to continue on this build and get it finished up. And I'm very excited to see what's next and what's coming in the horizon of this car. Okay, guys, thank you very much for watching, and I hope you're enjoying this part of the series of this 67 Shelby GT500 design build. All right, 3D build. And I will hope to see you guys in the next videos. And let me know, guys. Comments below. Let's get this stuff going, and let's get some conversation going. Let me know how you guys feel. All right, guys. Thanks so much, and we'll see you in the next Render Spaz videos. All right. Take care.